The air compressor will be properly packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Use appropriate tools to open the packaging. The machine and all accessories are as shown in the video. Install the rear wheels. Place the flat washer, spring washer, and nut sequentially. Then tighten and secure with tools. Install the other side using the same method. Install the support feet by placing them and securing with nuts. Then tighten with tools. Next, install the air cleaner as shown in the video. Machine components are shown below. Connect to power. Mobile operation requires professional power facilities. Close the drain valve. Turn on the start switch to begin operation. It takes approximately 80 seconds for the tank pressure to increase from 0 to 8 bars. For safety, the safety valve activates when pressure exceeds the maximum set value. Protects users and the machine. To adjust outlet pressure, turn the regulator counterclockwise to decrease, clockwise to increase. When connecting hoses, press inward at the point shown in the video. Connect the other end to the tool. After use, the compressor automatically starts to replenish air. Press the switch to shut down the machine. Drain tank moisture approximately every 24 hours of operation.